Today we are reviewing Google Pixel 6 Pro. Display size on this phone is 6.7 inches with the resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixel, 19.5 by 9 ratio. And the type of display on this phone is LTPO AMOLED 120 Hz. The display protection is made of Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. It has the body of glass front with the Gorilla Glass and aluminum frame. Internal memory available for this phone is 128GB, 12GB RAM, 256GB with 12GB RAM, 512GB with 12GB RAM. There's a no memory card slot on this phone. Has the triple camera feature. The rear camera has 50 megapixel with 25mm wide lens with dual pixel and 40 megapixel that has 104mm telephoto with OIS and 4 times optimal zoom. The 12 megapixel has the 114 ultra wide and has the dual LED flash feature as well as pixel shift, auto HDR, and panorama. The video capacity on this phone is 4K at 30 by 60 film. The video capacity on this phone is 4K with 1080p rear and the front camera of 11.1 megapixel. This was review for Google Pixel 6 Pro.